Na-remind ako nung John 12:24. When a kernel of wheat, unless a kernel of wheat falls to the ground and dies, it remains one seed. But if it dies, it produces many seeds. As I now look at you, you are the little Frank Padilla, and it's now our turn to carry the mission.